Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have some gorgeous polishes to be sharing with you today. So these are magnetic polishes. Obviously they're not gel, they are normal polishes. And I'm just absolutely loving the colours. So this is a collection of 5 polishes and I'm going to be showing you all 5 today. But just look at that colour shift. It's just awesome. So for some reason my camera was just picking out all the bronzy colours, but it is actually more green in real life. And then this one is super gorgeous because it's actually got a holo in it as well. The others don't have that in it, but this one did, which is amazing. And I've also got sent their sort of dual-ended magnetic stick as well, which is obviously what you're going to need to get the magnetic look to it. So you are going to need to go ahead and apply a black base. This is really what's going to make the colours pop the most. So I'm actually using their black stamping polish. I think you can use it as like a normal polish as well, but it's like super pigmented, so literally only needed 1 coat. So you want to wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to go in and show you polish number 1. So I'm going to show you, obviously it just applied just straight over a black polish and, you know, not messed around with the magnet at all, which is obviously how you can wear it as well. So I like the fact that you've kind of almost got like, you know, multiple ways to use these polishes. But just look at that finish. It was so pretty. It's kind of like, it is a little bit sparkly. It's not particularly holographic, but it did have like a sparkle in it, which was just absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to show you applying it with the magnetic stick. So I am just going to be doing the cat eye look. I know you can do like a swirly look with these, but I can never master it. So I've just kept with the cat eye look. So while the polish is still wet, you want to get your magnet and hold it over the top. And kind of hold it there till you've got the desired look. But isn't that just so gorgeous? What I find slightly frustrating with normal polish that's magnetic is it kind of loses that sharp cat eye look. Like with gel polish, it keeps it because you put it in the lamp and it's like instantly starting to dry. So you can see with this, like it has sort of spread as it's dried, and I did try and hold the magnet over it as long as possible, but it still kind of had that wider look. I mean, it's still very, very pretty and it's a gorgeous colour shift in it. But yeah, but I just wish, I don't know. I mean, obviously there must be ways to get it so it is that crisp line, but I can't seem to get my head around it. So this is polish number 2. So this is obviously got a gorgeous sort of bronzy, olivey green look to it. So that's obviously just it on its own, which again is so, so stunning. And then I'm going to do the same, apply the wet polish. And then hold the magnet over the top. So I have sort of like split this and sped it up, by the way. So I did hold it on the nail for much, much longer. But isn't that just so pretty? And that's it, completely dry and top coated. But yeah, I just wish that the line was a little bit more sharper. So I will list all details and product links in the description box. And if you use Gel 10 at checkout, then you'll get 10% off your order as well. If you want to know any other details that I've not stated in the video, then, you know, just drop me the question in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to answer that as quick as possible. This one is so stunning. I do love the colour shift in it. It's not really picking it up on camera, but it's got a purple to sort of like greeny blue colour shift, which was just beautiful. And you can kind of see it a little bit. Can you see that purple as I lift it up? that's right next to that gorgeous brilliant blue. But this one is very, very, very pretty. I think this was one of my favourites. I'm trying to show you that purple, so hopefully you can see it. But the camera just picks up what it wants to pick up. But yeah, but it definitely has like a purple to blue colour shift in it. So have you got this collection already? Would you want to buy it after obviously seeing this review? I would love to know your thoughts and kind of get some feedback on it. You know, which one is your favourite sort of polish out of this collection? Obviously, I really liked the one that I just did. And I really like the last one because it's obviously got that holo in it as well. But I mean, it's a gorgeous collection. And I'm wondering whether you can kind of stamp with it and still get a magnetic look. I might have to delve into that and test that out in a future video. And I will have to get the hang of doing that sort of like S shape. It is simple. I just very much think it's how you position those two round magnets at the, you know, at the end of the stick. I just can never get it to look quite how I want it to look. So there you go. That's a gorgeous, like almost like a rose gold going into a gold finish. But yeah, but this one is it is more greeny. It's kind of like an olive old gold look with this one. Very, very pretty indeed. So I'm absolutely loving it, this one. It's purple and it's got a holo in it. So, you know, what isn't there to like? So the same format as before. So this is like, I haven't got any like strung lights off my phone or anything like that. It's just like, you know, in my lights in my studio kind of thing. But it's super, super gorgeous. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold the magnet over the top. But literally I could just, like all of these polishes I could just wear like on their own, like without the magnet. They really are gorgeous and the colour shift in them is amazing. So this one is a bit more of a different look to the others because the holo still really stands out. But obviously you've just got that flash of pink, which is super, super gorgeous. So this is it, obviously all done and top coated. And the line didn't seem to spread as much with these ones as well. I'm not 100% sure why, but I really liked the look. And this is it with the sort of torch off of my phone, so you can really see that holo laser coming through. So that is it for today, Jelly Babes. I hope you've enjoyed watching my review of these polishes. Thank you, Beauty Big Bang, for sending them out to me. And take care, Jelly Babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.